Was he?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Anyway, it had overflowed into the tub and it was all dirty in there, so I just cleaned that all up. But
that leads me to believe the blockage is beyond these two drains. I don't think I'll solve the issue by plunging. I think I'll have to remove the toilet. Yeah, because it's further afield, you get me, to block both.
Yeah.
Like you use this, Murray, is that what you were talking about, the wine?
Well, our son was using that, trying
To
to
try.
Yeah.
Try.
But,
Okay.
I mean, do you want to try it and see what happens? Or?
I have a proper plumber's plunger.
Oh,
I'll try it if you want. If you want to try it, let's try. But it could get lucky, but
Yeah.
we could try. Yeah, I'll get the plumber's plunger out.
And excuse me,
Yeah.
but
Someone told me that one time. I thought it was a good. Now this is another option here. I'm just going to try this. This is a 3-foot hand snake.
a what?
It's a hand snake.
Hand snake.
It's a hand auger, we'll call it.
Would you ever consider that it could be a blockage of trees because you're on the ground floor?
I don't know yet.
Yeah.
It could be right here in the toilet. Oh, what's there? Could be something flushed inside the toilet, right inside the trap there. No, that's not bad. We tried.
I guess I should leave this piece in here.
Oh, that, yeah, anywhere you like. Sometimes I like to reuse that wax and put it in the hole here. Okay, as it works just fine like a sealant.
Yeah.
And then I put the new wax in its place, so I like to do that.
See that? Where does the wax go?
So typically the wax goes right here.
Yeah.
I like to reuse the old wax and fill in all the cracks around the grouting there.
Oh.
Okay, and then I have my new wax right there. And that'll just, you know, if you had a wood floor, for example, on a second level, it's good practice. It's good practice. So I'll reuse that old wax.
Oh.
I'll reuse the old wax, save a few polar bears. Save a few dolphins. Actually, I have Yeah, that valve is still leaking.
So do you have the valve to replace it with you?
Yeah, the one there I showed you.
Oh.
I just need to shut the water off to the unit though. But I just need to know. I need to locate. I need to locate the shut off. Each unit. This building's not that old, so it's probably less than 20 years old, I'd say. So this unit, the building has to have, this unit should have an isolation valve somewhere hidden in the wall, an access panel, a plastic white panel where you can open out, and you can just isolate.
Well, there is. I
The
don't
water.
know where it is. I've looked around, but I
Have
don't.
you? Okay.
But,
Usually it's around the door, the entrance area. Usually it's at the entrance area. There might be a closet or something. That's typically where you'd find them. Okay. Let's see if we can get it with the flex shaft, and if not, then I'll have to bring in the big one. The big guns. Something plastic in there. Hello, is that us? Might be. I hear water draining away. I hear water draining away. Wipes. Looks like some wipes. Flushable wipes, they say.
so did you pick that up down there?
Yeah.
It's that paper bag. Wipes. Yeah, I'm gonna have to flex shaft that. So yeah, that's a toilet brush. So there's a toilet brush inside the line there.
Where is that?
So somebody flushed a toilet brush.
Which
inside
one
there.
is that?
It's there, look. On the screen.
Oh, okay.
So that's a toilet brush. Look.
Can you tell me, like I can't see it as far as what it looks like, a
The spikes.
toilet brush.
See the spikes?
Okay, so how big is that?
I don't know. Big enough to block it.
But I'm just wondering if, like, whether, I don't think we have it. We only have that one toilet brush. You know, the
Yeah.
little round one, wherever that
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
the only one we've had.
Okay. Yeah.
So-
I'm just presenting. I'm just
I know,
presenting
yeah.
the findings.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just what's here.
This is
That's
the
it.
one that we.
That you use. Yeah. No
Yeah.
worries. Yeah. No problem. Just I'm just giving you a
Okay,
heads up.
yeah,
Just a heads up. Just
yeah.
a heads up.
And you can see one in there, can
See,
you?
it's amazing,
I
Murray,
can.
but here it's just because he can see this. We don't know that. It's like amazing. Look at that. See?
Huh.
Can you see there's a little metal spot?
Oh, yeah.
So
But-
what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try and push my. See, I can push my snake, Mike.
So it must have been going on for some time then, if it's not ours.
I'm not too sure really.
We've been here a year,
I'm going to try to see if I can push it
Well.
or pull it back.
Here.
almost a year, Murray.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See if I can pull it back.
June.
yeah,
Let's see if I
June
can.
6th.
Can that be
Well, 11
pulled
months,
back?
I guess.
Can that be pulled back? Can I retrieve it? No. No.
You can see it.
That's not good. That's.
Hmm.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, I push it forward.
Can you see the movement of it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm
Can you
pushing.
see the movement of it?
See if I can push it. See if I can push it. See if I can push it into the main. Let the city take care of it. Okay. Are you watching that? Yeah, you can see it, Murray. You can see that angle.
Yeah.
So that's that right there.
How big would you call it?
I don't
6
know.
inches?
I don't know.
Oh.
Like fist size, maybe just a conventional. A
Okay.
conventional.
I don't
one.
remember ever seeing anything like that.
No. And see, that's why
See if we can get rid of it. Get into the main and act like I wasn't here.
Hmm. That's a handy little thing to have.
Oh yeah. Okay. 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 That's down. Okay. To the main, let's see. I think we're in the public. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. So now that's into the public city. See the city? That's the city there. Look, that's the public drain.
Hmm.
That's the public drain right there.
Hmm.
Public drop. It's a huge vertical drop there. Okay.
So, I wonder if that was
Crisis averted. I think
been
that's
in there.
us.
I wonder if that's been in there all the time. I don't remember seeing anything like that.
Yeah, fair enough. I don't know either. But that looks like to be the issue now. If we can pull back. So pull back now. Pull back now. Like that. Here, so we must be over 70 feet there. We're over 70 feet. Have a push.
Hmm.
We push it into the bigger pipe. That's good. Okay. That's clear. Okay, that's clear.
I don't know, you can see it
I
now.
know.
Right,
I'll
watch
watch it into the bigger pipe.
Push it into the city pipe there. See nothing.
And it'll be a bigger pipe.
Yeah, it will of course. Yeah, 6 inch, 8 inch.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's city or main building complex drain,
Yeah.
but if it's going to the city, so they can take it off my taxes. So
You have
they get
great
enough.
humor.
Thanks. That's bad. Nothing I can do about it. But
Would you say that the issue has been resolved, or,
yeah,
so it was some kind of a toilet brush?
yeah, some sort of clean, some textured brush. Yeah.
And did it look?
Right, so we're basically finished up here, lads. Toilet brushing issue.
No leaks around the base. Flushed maybe 8 times. Put in a new supply line because the other one was crusty looking, so it made sense to just drop in the new supply line for them. And I tried to get a hold of the building manager, the strata manager, see if we can shut down this unit, or tell me where the shut-offs are, because I couldn't find any shut-off in the unit. So I had to put a compression cap. I threw a compression cap on it while I was doing my repair, or while I was doing my service. So that's basically the tail of the tape for this one. Yeah, I found a bloody toilet brush. Toilet brush. So yeah, we're clean. We're clean. Upstairs. Everything's functional. Everything's functional, nice and clean the way I left it. It's the city's problem now. Alright, I'll talk to you in the next one.